Today we're going to be making manicotti with the ricotta cheese filling. Manicotti is the American word used for Italy's cannelloni, which means a big pipe, and manicotti loosely translates to a big sleeve. These noodles that originated in Italy formed cylinders that are approximately 5 to 6 inches long and traveled with many Italian immigrants around the world. A traditional meal of cannelloni or manicotti was used usually as a Sunday lunch or a favored holiday dish in Italy. It's typically associated with the Campania region and Sicily. In the olden days, women would take each ingredient from scratch and make them with fresh homemade egg pasta. 1/4 cup of parsley, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of shredded mozzarella, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 egg that will be slightly beaten, manicotti shells, marinara sauce, 1½ cups of ricotta cheese. We're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The egg is slightly beaten with a fork. The ricotta cheese is added to the egg. Then the parsley and the salt. The manicotti shells are filled with the ricotta cheese filling. Bite. Was it good? Oh yeah. That's good stuff.